Top affiliates nailed it with this unique mist spray antifungal solution. Using live cell microscopic imaging, scientists have made a remarkable discovery. In time, fungus has learned to burrow into the deepest layers of the skin, making its home unreachable by normal treatments. That is why more and more people struggle to eliminate fungus. They all address the surface fungus, but will do nothing to remove the actual root of the infection. The reason why ProNail Complex works so well is that it comes in the form of a mist spray. Each potent oil and strong herb in this formula is broken down into particles so small that they can reach deep under your skin and kill the fungus in its home base. Secondly, this unique product trains and strengthens the immune system of your skin and nails, so that your body can learn how to fight back against the fungus. Thirdly, it also prevents the spores of the fungus from spreading all over the place and risking infecting your loved ones. Not having to hide their feet in socks, even in the sweltering heat of summer. Getting the relief of being able to remove their shoes without a second thought. With this breakthrough, their days of feeling embarrassed or ashamed are over. They will finally enjoy healthy, pink strong nails instead of crumbling yellow ones. No more foul smell, no more itching and no more burning. All of that from the comfort of their own home. ProNail Complex is great for those who want to finally get rid of the annoying nail fungus and get back to being in control of their lives and regain their confidence. Gender and age. Men and women over the age of 30. People interested in alternative nail fungus solutions. Avoiding surgical nail removing procedures. Remedies for toenail itching. Geos. USA, CA, UK, O, NZ, IE. Device. Mobile, desktop, tablet. Note, our website is optimized for maximum conversions on all devices. Traffic sources. Conversion powerhouse across all major traffic sources, emailing, native, Google, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. It also slays on social platforms like Pinterest and Telegram. ClickBank offers the convenience of placing your tracking pixels, including those from Facebook, Yahoo, Google, Volume, and others, directly within your ClickBank account. For more details on utilizing this feature, please follow this link. If you encounter any difficulties adding a specific pixel through the above method, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our development team can manually assist in its integration. Notice, no affiliate advertising may include content that is deceptive, misleading, untruthful, unsubstantiated, or otherwise fails to comply with applicable federal and state advertising and consumer protection laws, regulations, and guidelines as set forth below. All affiliates must affirmatively agree to our advertising rules before enrolling in our affiliate program. Any violation of these traffic restrictions and our advertising rules will result in immediate suspension or termination of the affiliate agreement, and potential legal action. Affiliates may not include any content that is deceptive, unsubstantiated, or otherwise fails to comply with all federal and state consumer protection laws, regulations, and guidelines in all affiliate advertisements and promotions. Affiliates may not use any ProNail Complex before and after photos or user testimonials in their promotions unless permitted under our advertising rules and in compliance with the FTC's guides. Concerning the use of endorsements and testimonials in advertising, affiliates are strictly prohibited from using AI deepfake technology, content that impersonates any person, in any form of advertising or promotional content. Affiliates may not run Google AdWords, or any Google property, by bidding on ProNail Complex-based keywords, use the term ProNail Complex in any pay-per-click advertisements. Use any terminology in ads or landing pages that are similar to scam or fraud, or create customer incentives for purchasing ProNail Complex. Affiliates may not use press releases as a means of advertising or promoting our products, services, or brand. Affiliates may not promote ProNail Complex on retail sites, auction sites, or app stores such as Amazon, eBay, Google Store, Apple App Store, or any other similar online marketplaces, in any way, shape, or form. This includes products created by you or by us, including Craigslist, Kijiji, Gumtree, or any other classified ad network. Affiliates may not bypass ProNail Complex pages to generate orders, whether by directing customers to unauthorized checkout pages, creating unauthorized landing pages, or using any means to circumvent our official sales process. Affiliates may not employ spying tools or any similar technology with the intention of duplicating or replicating successful advertisements, i.e., not use software or services to monitor, copy, or analyze the advertisements of other affiliates or the company itself. Affiliates are strictly prohibited from utilizing adware as a means of advertising ProNail Complex. Affiliates may not create any advertisements that falsely represent them as the creator or owner of ProNail Complex. Any affiliate caught breaking any of these terms will be banned immediately without hesitation, and will not be eligible for reinstatement. Step 1. Your free ClickBank account. If you don't have a ClickBank account, visit this link to create one for free. Step 2. Get approval. To ensure that your affiliate link functions correctly and accurately tracks your sales, you must first obtain approval to promote. Apply for approval. Step 3. Generate your hoplink. Generate hoplink. Or generate direct link. Let's chat. For any questions you might have, feel free to contact our super friendly affiliate management team by writing an email to affiliates@pronailcomplex-product.com.